the clouds, and the dirt. So I was reading this book over winter break called Ask Gary Vaynerchuk, and throughout the book, he talks about clouds and dirt, and basically how you should be working in either the clouds or the dirt, and nothing in between. And you should split your work between the two about 50-50. So it's like dirt would be, for me, it's making a bike talk. Whereas the clouds, it's planning the future of this channel. And yeah, so what you're supposed to avoid is the middle ground. He didn't really define that as anything, but the way I see it is it's checking your phone, watching Netflix, or doing something non-purposeful, I think. And to focus on the clouds and the dirt, you really have to focus. In one of Steven Pressfield's books, he talks about how resistance hates focus and depth. So you have to go deep into what you're working with and focus. Now, something I do every day, or try to do every day, is meditate. And that can literally mean just sitting for 10 minutes, looking straight forward, and just trying to not control my thoughts, but be aware of them. And that's how you stay in the clouds and the dirt and don't go in between. Focus. So guys, it's like a week into the new year, and let me know what you've gotten done, because a week is a long time, and no matter what you're doing, you've gotten something done. Whether that helps your future or not, that's the question. So, what have you done? Let me know. Peace, guys.